Right. So we'll start a new pattern that is displaying 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alaf, okay. The above line is 1, 2, 3, 4. And here uh, 5, right? Okay. So we'll take now 1, 2, 3, 4. Next 1, 2, 3. We'll take here 1, 2, 3. Next one, just 1, 2. Let's take here just 1, 2. Above 1, just take the 1. Here we take the 1 like this. So in this format, we have to display the pattern, guys. Right? So all of observe here. Okay, this is the way we have to display the pattern. I'll copy this one here. I'll go to the paint. Fine. Right. So this is what we display, guys. Now same, I'll take the I values first of all. So I1, then I2, I3, I4, I5. I'm taking the so I iterations, right? So this is what 2, this is what 3, 4, and 5, right? Right. So these are the I iterations. These are the I iterations, guys. Okay. Now, so we have this is the one part. First of all, this pattern we know already. This pattern we know already, and this pattern also we know already. This pattern also we know already. These two programs already we have done. The thing is here about the spaces between these two ones, space between these two, space between here, space here also, space. The space is matter here. The space is the matter. So first, what do I do? All of you observe. First, I'm going to work on this part first of all. I'm going to work on this part first of all. This is what first we display. Once it is over, then we'll think about the spaces. Once the space is over, we'll think about displaying the next one. Okay, right. So as we know this one already, all of you, I'm going directly to this one. Okay, I'll open ideally. I'll open the ideally all of you. This is the previous program, that is 31, right? Now pattern 31, right? 32, no? Pattern 32, I think. 32. So input of enter n number of rows. Enter n number of rows. Then we'll take eval here. Then let's take the n, right? So for I in range of for I, starting one and n plus one. Then again j for I in range of for I in range of all of observe now. For I in range of yes. So first time the j loop iterates only one time. Next time two times. Next three times. Next four times. Next five times. Right. Let's take one plus one starting value one, ending value one plus I or I plus one. We take here I plus 1. So first time what's I value 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 before 1. So whenever first time I value 1, at that time the j iterates only one time, guys. Only one time. That one time display what? That j value displaying. J value displaying, okay? And end equal to like this. All of you, right? First we'll see this part only. Next, whenever I value is 2, then 2 plus 1, 3. 3 before 2. So 1, 2. So it returns 2 times. First time 1, second time 2. So first time 1 space, second time 2 space over. When I value 3, so then 3 plus 1, 4. 4 before 3. So 1, 2, 3. All of you. 1, 2, 3. That's all. When I value 4, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 times. When I value 5, then so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. Okay, like that. First of all, it will display, right? I am giving the 5, all of you. You can see now it is displaying. I repeat again. I am giving the 5. Yes, all of you observe now. So means what is over now? This part is over, right? This part is over now. All of you observe. This part is over. And next, the space is important here, right? The space is important. So what we do, all of you observe here, like we consider this is the one box, like this is the other one, and this one also again you can divide into two parts. So this is the first part, this is the second part, right? The first part, these are about the J. This is about the J. I will take it is about the K, guys. The space about the K. The space about the K. All of you, right? So now J means the number of displaying over. Now K means what? Whenever I one, J repeating one time. At the time K, how many times? K 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 times, right? Whenever I value 2, J repeating 2 times, and K, how many times now? 3 times. When I value 3, J 3 iterations, and K 2 iterations. When I value 4, J 4 iterations, and K 1 iteration only. K 1 iteration means the iteration is decreasing. First 4, then 3, 2, 1, at last 0. At last 0. All of observe now. All of observe. I'll take here for K in range of. First time required only 4. First time 4, then 3, then 2, then 1. Decreasing, right? Decreasing. I will take here starting value. We'll take starting value. Suppose n, for example, guys. Starting value n, right? Then end value I'll take the end value take here. Suppose 0, end value 0, then minus 1, then minus 1. All of observe. So what I want to display, space display, right? Okay, see space displaying, but see now what will display, what will create here. So whenever I value 1, whenever I value 1, then j, all of observe now, j, sorry, k. So I value 1, right? I value 1. So 5. 5 means n means 5. 5 up to 1. So 5 to 1 display. 5 to 1. But what I want here, what I want guys here, we want only 4, right? But displays 5 times. Next also 5 times. Next also 5 times. Next also 5 times. Every time it's coming, how many times? 5 times, 5 times, 5 times, guys. Right? So here this is the 1, this is the 2, this is the 3, this is the 4. Okay, next 1 Allah Hubjana 1 2 3. Next one 1 2. Next one 1 means starting value 1, ending value changing, guys. Okay, we'll change this one. Starting value 1, ending value 1 time 4, 1 time 3, 1 time 2, 1 time 1. This time no iterations. I'll take now n minus for example I, guys. But let's see now I n minus I, for example. So starting value 1, n means what? 5. 5 minus 1 4. 4 before 3. So 1 2 3 only. 1 2 3. 3 times only k repeating now. But actually I want 4 times, right? We'll take now plus 1 now. So n means what? 5. 5 plus 1 6. 6 minus 1 5. 5 before 4. So that it iterates 4 times. Whenever I value 1, whenever I value 1, it iterates how many times? 4 times. Okay, 4 times, guys. 4 times. Okay, next one now. Next one here. Whenever I value 2, I value 2, guys. When I value 2, j 2 times iterating 1 2 coming. But coming to the k, so this is the 2, right? This is the 2. So 5, 5 plus 1 6, 6 minus 2 4, 4 before 3. So that it comes how many times now? 1 2 3, 3 times. Like that. Next one 1 2, 2 times only. 2 times only. Next 1 time only. Next one no iterations like this. I love you. This is what display, but its space I'll take the just iPhone. We'll see now whether it comes or not. I'm giving the 5. Yes, guys. I love you. In place of space, start taking the some iPhone for displaying purpose, right? Now what is over now? What is over, guys? Here this part is over now. This part is over. Next second part is there. Again this part also, again two subparts, guys. I'll take, suppose this is the m, and the numbering is the n. M, how many spaces? First 4 spaces, right? I'll have you 4 spaces here. You can observe now. So 1 space, 2 spaces, 3 spaces, and 4 spaces. Next to 3 spaces only. 1, 2, 3. Next to 2 spaces only, guys. And next to only 1 space only. Means again a space is decreasing. So here again, this is the 1, this is the 2, this is the 3, this is the 4. Next again, 1, 2, 3. Again, 1, 2. Again, 1, 0. Means same like MK, same like K iteration, M also, guys, right? Same as it is. That's why for K, whatever is there, for K, whatever is there, take for M also. For M in range of starting 1, N minus 1 plus 1, guys. Okay, sorry. Minus I plus 1 plus 1. Then let's display here space display, right? Then end equal to what here? End equal to space here. Okay. Now in place of space, I take the some hyphen here. Some hyphen. Let's see now. Now the second part of spaces up to here taken. Right, you can see, guys, all of you. So 4 spaces, 3 spaces, 2 spaces, 1 space. Now this part, what I want to get now, I want to get the numbering, right? I want to get the numbering, guys, here. So first one, then this is the 1 here first, then 1 2, right? Then 1 2 3, 1 2 3 4, and 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5. All of you observe here. Same like what? Same like this J loop, right, guys? Same like J loop only. Now, right. So for n in not n, guys, we'll take some x for x in range of same like whenever I value 1, I want x iterates 1 time only. But I value 2, I want iterates how many times? 1 2, 2 times only. three times only, four times only, five times only, like that. That means we take same as one, same as a J loop, right? Okay, starting one, then I plus one, guys. Then what I want to display now? I want to display the text value, the text value display. Then end equal to, that's all. Now remove this hyphens, and you can see now all of it. So in case of m here, first whenever I value 1, then m iterating how many times? 4 times. Whenever I value 2, how many spaces now? 3 spaces. Whenever I value 3, 2 spaces. All of okay. Next, whenever I value 1, 1 space. Whenever I value 4 or 5, there are no iterations. Okay. Next, whenever I value, in case of x, when I value 1, x iterating only one time. When I value 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 before 1. So 1 to 1 means a one time iteration. Whenever I value 2, so 2 times only, 1, 2. Whenever I value 3, 1, 2, 3, 3 times. Whenever I value 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 times. When I value 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 times. Means so the x and the j and the x same iterations, k and m same iterations, guys. All of observe now. All of you observe here. The x and 1 second, guys. I'll take this one. Right. So the j and the x. I take the x. Okay, I take the x. J and x same iterations, and km again same iterations, right? These two same iterations, and these two are the same iterations. That's why same coming here. So which one? The j x same iterations, and this km same iterations. Okay. Now let me run this one. I am giving 5. That's all.